guys, welcome back to another video. I sound very low because my roommates are sleeping, so I cannot talk too much. However, we're gonna be making an origami cult. Cute. Okay, so let's start out. I'm so excited actually. My birthday is literally the post of this video tomorrow, so for my birthday I'll be making an origami cult because it's winter time with tea time. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy. Thanks so much for watching. Honestly, I'm glad there's a lot of people that are interested in what I do. I have fun making origami videos. A lot of fun. I just like doing it for fun because it's just, yeah. I'd rather not use the same word again because I've been saying fun multiple times now. Okay, so yeah, you fold into a triangle and cut this out. With the easier origamis, I'll try my best to post on time. With the harder ones, I'll also try my best, but it's not as guaranteed as the easy ones. But I'll still try my best. So, you start out like this, right? So you fold it in half. Do that first. Oh, make sure you fold it properly. Don't mess up like I did right here. Make sure you fold it in half properly. Nice, just like that. And then open it up. So for the top part, based on sorry, let me just get the right lighting. So for the top part, this is the line. For the top part, folded left there, all the way to that line. Good. Now fold this all the way to here. So in order to do that, let's create a crease that shows the half line. Just a little crease. Don't do like a whole crease. Like just like a little crease right here. Like that. To show like half line, right? And then what we're gonna do is fold this here. So follow that little half line, fold it down. So triangle, make that 90 degrees. Do the same to this side. You gotta be careful because sometimes the paper overlaps. So as you can see, there's a little bit of a mess up here. I don't think it's actually half yet. So we're gonna keep folding it until we get half, which is like right here. I know it's, oh, this is a terrible fold, but you get the gist. Just fold it in half like that. And then what we're gonna do next, now that we have it like this, I believe this is reverse fold. it's weird because it has the lines this way, so we might need to reverse fold it. Yeah, like this. This would make more sense. Why is that so weird? It's not like it's just an awkward fold for this one. I don't know why. I don't know why that flap doesn't want to fold properly. It's so awkward. Anyways, so you do this. Okay. So what we're gonna do next is, if I am correct, we're gonna have to the weird part is like this part right here. Doesn't show up here. Or is it like this, I guess? Is this what it's looking for? Because that looks exactly like what it's shown there. I guess so. Yeah, that looks exactly like what it's shown there, so I'm gonna stick with this one. And then you would fold this. So fold it this way, right? And then fold it the other way. Make sure it's folded properly the same, right? And then open it up, right? And then sink it. So you're gonna go like this, and reverse fold it. And you're just gonna sink it by reverse folding it. Make sure it matches, because sometimes it's just gonna be super awkward, just like what it's doing right now. See how awkward this is? You're gonna have to match it though, so that it actually links properly. Make sure it matches. Yeah, so once you do that, you get this. And then what's asking next for you to do is reverse fold these. So we're gonna fold this like that, right? Make sure you fold it all the way to the tip. Make sure you hold this down properly so it doesn't overlap too much. And then fold it all the way to the tip. Like that, right? And then do the same to this side. So when it means reverse fold, it means do it like as soon as you fold it this way, right? Flip it on itself. Like, for example, so you see this? It's gonna go like this instead. Like that. And then you do the same to this side. So let me do it again. You open this flap, fold this, that's how you folded it, and just follow the awkward trail. What is this? Yeah, like that. And you get something like this, which is supposed to get. Now we turn it around. So the next step is we're gonna do valley folds, and so we're gonna go like this. You see this line right here? We're just gonna fold it downwards. So something like this, right? You have to fold the whole wasp wing basically down all the way to half mark. make sure it's folded properly, and then crease it down. As for the sleeves, you can go make it look like this. Like that. And then do it for this one. So grab it, make the fold. Proper fold. Make sure you fold it properly. Excuse my British accent. Yeah, fold it like that. And then now, what we're gonna do is mount and fold behind. So we're gonna fold it this way. Like that, right? And then do the same for this side. It's gonna look awkward in the back, but that's what you do. And then now that you've done that, you can move, you can create like a sleeve like look here to make it look more like a coat. And then we're gonna reverse fold this. So you see this flap right here? We're just gonna fold it this way. Like that, right? I'm gonna do the same to this side. And then you just fold it inwards. Reverse. And you should have a nice looking jacket. You can adjust this how you want, but yeah. Make sure you fold this. You can like fold this way, right? And then like have it go this way. Just like that. So it looks like a sleeve, right? So you can see, do the same to this side. And just fold it like that. And then just reverse fold it like that. Make it look like a sleeve. Make sure you reverse fold it properly because sometimes it can mess up. But yeah, that's the gist of it. So yeah, here's a coat. Very cozy coat. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And yeah, I'll see you on the next one. It is my birthday, so I'm happy to do this. Yeah, I'll see you guys later. Peace. Bye.